Do you want to learn how you can make money using Canva? Well, stick around for this video because that's what we're going to be talking about today. So how can you use Canva to make money? It's actually pretty easy. It just takes a couple of different websites you need to have Canva, and then websites like Fiverr where you can go and sell any sort of design. And in just a minute, I will take you into the computer and I will actually show you how you can go about doing that. So Canva, if you don't know much about Canva yet, it's super easy, very beginner friendly. If you don't have many design skills, media design skills, not a big deal. Canva gives you tons of free templates that you can use, so you don't have to actually have much skill to use Canva, which is awesome. So if you guys want to watch a quick tutorial on how to use Canva, go ahead and click the link above and take a look at that video and learn how to use Canva. And then the other website that you need to know about is called Fiverr. And Fiverr is basically just a website where you can go and advertise your products that you're trying to sell. And on Fiverr, you can find anything from business cards and stationery to thumbnails for YouTube, social media posts, and people are just selling their designs and then somebody hires you to create those for them. But before we get started in the computer, go ahead, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification. I am posting videos on my online journey in affiliate marketing and just how to make money online. So if you guys are interested at all, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. If you guys want to start creating your own digital real estate by starting a YouTube channel or a blog, go ahead and click the link below, nevadaconley.com, and that will help you get started. It's a great program. They know exactly what to do and they help you step by step to get started with that. So if you're interested at all in getting going with your own digital real estate, click that link below, nevadaconley.com. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer and get started.
Okay, guys, so here we are in Canva. So I just want to go over really quickly, just remind you, if you haven't used Canva before, if you haven't used Canva before, what you can actually do with Canva. So if we just go up here and we hover over this templates tab here, it takes you to all of these things that you can make with Canva that give you templates that are already made that you can then just go in and edit. So I mean, anything from invitations, cards, resumes, logos, posters, and then, you know, all of your social media stuff over here too, Facebook covers, Instagram posts. And this is all stuff that people are paying other people to design for them on these websites like Fiverr. So let's just pick one really quick. Like if we go into, like, let's just say this invitations, and then it pulls up all of these. And so then you can click on any one of these invitations. Let's just go to like save the date here. So these are all the different templates that Fiverr already gives you that you can use. So then when you set up your stuff on Fiverr, people can send you their pictures. So like if we select this template here and then use this template, people can send you, you know, when they contact you, they can send you a picture. So then you can just delete this picture and upload their picture here and put their picture in here. And then you can literally just change the names. So Luke and Christine, or it could be, you know, like John and, oh, not the money sign, John and Sarah are getting married, and then you just change the date, and that you can change, I mean, you can change the colors of the background. It gives you, these are the document colors that are already in there, but if their colors, oh, that's the outside color there, I guess. If their colors are, you know, blue and gold, you can change all of this stuff as needed, or change things out, or add different elements. So it's super easy and super simple to create these kinds of things on Canva, and you literally can do it in minutes. And so then let's go over to Fiverr and I'll show you how you can create these things, or how you can sell these things on Fiverr. So this is the Fiverr homepage. So you would just need to go to Fiverr and then just create an account, which is pretty simple. Just become a seller on Fiverr. And so then let's see, we were looking at invitations. So let's just type in save the date and see what pulls up. So let's see, these are all like invitations, wedding invitations, and save the date. So these guys look like they're doing a lot of, they're doing more group stuff on here. But if we click on one, I will show you. I mean, this is starting at $5, starting at $10. And did you see how long it took me to actually make one of those things? I mean, it just takes you a few minutes, $25. And then of course there's other things too. Like if we go back to Canva, let's type in, or templates. Let's go to like business cards. This is a good one. So business cards. So look at all of these templates that they give you for business cards. And then like, okay, so let's say you've got somebody that has a yoga studio that wants you to create their business card for them. So watch how simple this is. You can change this background color super easily to like a yellow. You can change this picture out. If we delete this picture and then we go over here to elements and let's type in yoga. Look at all these different elements that pop up that we can use. And a lot of these are free, but let's just pick like, I don't know, this one looks like she's doing yoga. So you just paste that on there. And then you can just change the name, you can change the color, you can add more elements to it, and then boom, you have a business card made. And you can click to the other side and you just change the name and you change, put this logo back on there, or if they send you their logo, you again just upload it to your computer and you put in their logo and you change just change their information and boom, you have a business card made and somebody just paid you to do that. So if we go back to Fiverr and business card, look at how much people are paying for business cards. So this guy's charging $25. This one's charging $10. Some of these people, $100 are charging for their services, $50. So guys, it's really pretty easy to get on here. And then when you come on here and you're going to create one of these gigs, that's what all of these are called, are a gig. Don't try to reinvent the wheel with this. Just go through and see what other people are putting on their profile and what they're doing in a gig, and just kind of copy that so that you don't have to come up with a new idea or anything, or, new stuff. You just come on here, see what other people are doing and just kind of imitate that. And then you can go through here and see what their packages are like, what they're offering, and then offer something similar. So their basic package is $10 and you get one concept that's print ready. If you go to their standard, it's $20, but you get 2 different concepts. And then their premium is $35. And so, you just go on and you can do these same things. And then once you start getting orders, you start making money. Obviously I would say start out doing this as a side gig. And some of these are, saying that they can get it back to you in, 2 hours. So if you don't have that kind of time, obviously don't offer 2 hours, but within 24 hours, you could come home and get some business cards done and be making some extra side money. So super easy, guys. And again, if you don't know much about Canva, just click the link. I'll put a link again right above here. You can click on that to watch a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Canva. But let me know in the comments, guys, if you are going to try this and how it worked for you. I would love to hear it. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any more of my upcoming videos. And again, nevadaconley.com if you want to get started making your own digital real estate and start your journey on making money online. Okay, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.